Today we're making bright, smooth yellow mustard. Simple ingredients, real flavor, and no additives. Yellow mustard is one of the most versatile condiments in the kitchen. Mild tang, vibrant color, and clean ingredients make it perfect for sandwiches, marinades, grilling, and everyday cooking. We hope you enjoy what we've put together. And if you do, hit the subscribe button to follow along. The heat of mustard comes down to two choices: the seeds and the liquid. Yellow mustard uses mild yellow seeds and plenty of vinegar, giving it gentle heat and a long shelf life. Dijon mustard uses brown or black seeds and white wine, creating a sharper, more pungent flavor. Spicy brown mustard blends brown and black seeds with vinegar and spices for a deeper, coarser heat. English mustard is the hottest, made with cold water to maximize the enzyme reaction. Here's the mise en place: mustard powder, salt, vinegar, turmeric, paprika, and garlic powder. These simple ingredients create the classic yellow mustard flavor we all know. Not the prepared mustard. This is a real mustard. Prepared mustard has flour and other ingredients and requires cooking to thicken. Mix all ingredients together until smooth. Transfer to a clean container, cover, and store in a cool, dark place for 4 to 6 weeks. This resting time lets the flavors develop and mellow. Once you master the base recipe, try different variations: champagne honey mustard, sweet Piccadilly mustard pickles, Southern-style mustard with bacon and mustard greens, or whole-grain habanero mustard for extra heat. Why do people make their own condiments and sauces? Although there are cost savings, it is more of a life choice than a cost factor. Homemade sauces have no chemicals or additives, just real ingredients. They're fast and easy to make, usually in 5 minutes or less. And you control the flavor, the freshness, and the balance. More lemon, less salt, extra herbs. It's entirely up to you. Thanks for watching. Join us again for more sauces, dressings, and condiments every week. Fresh ingredients, real flavor, no shortcuts. We hope you enjoy what we've put together. And if you do, hit the subscribe button to follow along.